In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a digital product on Hostinger. All right, so what we're going to have to do here, just make sure you head over to website builder to your website, and then just, you can click on here, website manager. Here, you're going to see your websites, click on websites, and then here, select your website. I'll select this one. And now we're just we're gonna enter in the Hostinger website builder. And now from here, it's very simple to add a digital product. So we're gonna go here to online store, and then here we're gonna select manage store. All right. Now from here, we're gonna click on products, and now from here we're gonna click on add product. And now here we have a digital product. So products could be downloaded via link after purchase. So let's click on this. Now here we can upload our file. The maximum is 50 megabytes each, or upload YouTube video. Upload those formats, and the maximum add media, and product visible or hidden here. Type the title, the subtitle, the ribbon if you want. Add a description. You can also use AI. You can describe the product and you'll generate a text for your product. You can add some additional sections from here, title and description, and pricing, amount, add a price here, track, quantity, and also you can assign to a category, let's say, and also file maximum here, maximum file size 100 megabytes, and customers will receive a file with a link to download digital products. The link will last for 48 hours. So yeah, this is the media and this is the file, right? So make sure you upload the file. So yeah, I hope you found the video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching, and take care.